What's up, guys? I'm going to make this a very quick video. I was putting all of the Matchbox stuff away, and I read a comment about this car doing a swap on it. I did forget to show, I want to show real quick because this actually is a pretty cool casting for Matchbox. Lens headlights, which are part of the windshield. It is an all die-cast van. It's not plastic like the newer ones, but it's just a swap van. Ford Transit, I don't know, 2007 maybe. So I wanted to show that. I thought that was pretty cool. I forgot about that. I'd like to have one in more of like a business, like a small business livery or something like that. But so anyways, I wanted to show that. And then the comment was to take this casting, which is getting horrible reviews from Greenlight. Let's see if I can get a focus. So anyways, take this casting and swap it with the Dodge B100. I actually have a Dodge B100 with a bum axle. When it came this way, it doesn't roll. Well, I guess it does, but it's got a load of bricks in the back. And in looking at these wheels and tires, I think they're pretty close to the same size. The wheels are definitely smaller on the Dodge, but I think that would be a swap that would work. But then, as I got to thinking about it, I was like, well, what other Greenlight cars would work? Because one thing about the Dodge is you'd have to make custom axles because these axles are a lot wider. And with these being fixed axles, that could be an issue. And I haven't done a wheel swap in over a year. I mean, it's been a long time. I don't have any interest in doing it anymore. But I took a look at some other Greenlight castings to see what would work. And this is what I came up with. The width on this is pretty darn close. And I think that would look pretty sweet right there. That is a very tempting swap. I might actually give it a go. I'm not going to do it tonight, but I might give that a go. Let me see if I can show what this one would look like. This one's not, I don't think looks quite as good. And it's going to be harder to get. It's going to be a lot harder to try to show you. I don't know. Now I have some of these Dodge vans with these wheels, but they're not chrome. They're just silver, and they look, I think they look better than the chrome. But I don't know. I just wanted to throw that out there. I might actually give this wheel swap a shot. My only concern is that it doesn't work, and then I've got two basically wasted Greenlight castings. This one, even though it's getting horrible reviews, I'm sure it's still going to be pretty highly sought after. But you can get it for under $10. This one here came in a diorama, so it's not going to be an easy one to replace. But I might give it a look and see if I can find one for cheap and just try to buy a duplicate of each of these before I go drilling them. Because I am pretty partial to my Greenlight collection, and I don't just want to go tearing them up. So, but I do like that idea, and I'm very curious as to how that would look, because I do think that would look really good. So, anyways, just wanted to throw that out there. Thanks, everybody. Take care.